Scaffolding, interview, question and answer. What is scaffolding? Scaffolding is a temporary structure used in construction and other industries to provide a stable and safe elevated platform for workers to perform various tasks, such as building, maintenance, or repair work. What are the types of scaffolding? The common types of scaffolding include supported scaffolding. This type of scaffolding is supported by the ground or a solid structure like a building. It is the most widely used type. Suspended scaffolding. Suspended scaffolding is suspended from the top of a building or structure and can be raised or lowered using ropes or chains. Mobile scaffolding. Mobile scaffolding is mounted on wheels or casters, allowing it to be moved easily from one location to another. What are the parts of scaffolding? The main parts of scaffolding include 1. Standards, vertical tubes or pipes that provide the main vertical support. 2. Ledges, horizontal tubes that connect the standards together. 3. Transoms, horizontal tubes that support the scaffold boards or planks. 4. Braces, diagonal tubes that help stabilize the scaffolding structure. 5. Scaffold boards, wooden planks or metal platforms where workers stand and work. 6. Base plates, plates placed at the base of each standard to distribute the load evenly. 7. Couplers, connectors used to join various scaffold components together securely. What are the hazards of scaffolding? The hazards of scaffolding include 1. Falls from heights. Workers can fall from the scaffolding platform due to inadequate guardrails, improper use of personal protective equipment, PPE, or unstable scaffolding structures. 2. Collapse of scaffolding. If the scaffolding is not erected properly or is overloaded, it may collapse, posing a significant risk to workers and those below. 3. Falling objects, tools, equipment, or materials dropped from scaffolding can injure workers or passers-by below. 4. Electrocution. Contact with overhead power lines while working on scaffolding can lead to electrocution. 5. Weather conditions. Adverse weather conditions, such as strong winds or slippery surfaces, can increase the risk of accidents on scaffolding. You can erect the scaffolding. Scaffolding should be erected by trained and competent personnel who have the necessary knowledge and experience in scaffolding erection. Only qualified workers or specialized scaffolding contractors should undertake the erection and dismantling of scaffolding structures. Which permit is required for scaffolding erection? Depending on the location and regulatory requirements, a scaffolding permit may be required before erecting scaffolding. This permit ensures that the scaffolding is erected in compliance with safety regulations and standards. Who can inspect scaffolding? Scaffolding should be inspected by a competent person before use and at regular intervals thereafter. A competent person is someone who has the necessary training, knowledge, and experience to identify potential hazards and ensure that the scaffolding is safe for use. What are the types of scaffolding tags? The main types of scaffolding tags used for communication and safety identification include 1. Red tag indicates that the scaffolding is unsafe and should not be used until the identified issues are resolved. 2. Yellow tag indicates that the scaffolding requires specific attention and should not be used until the identified concerns are addressed. 3. Green tag indicates that the scaffolding has been inspected and deemed safe for use. What is a toe board? A toe board is a horizontal barrier attached to the scaffold's working platform to prevent tools, materials, or debris from falling off the scaffold and creating a hazard to workers or those below. What is the maximum distance allowed between the planks of scaffolding? The maximum distance allowed between the planks of scaffolding should not exceed 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters. Properly spaced planks ensure a stable and safe working platform for workers. What should be the angle of the ladder placed on scaffolding? The ladder placed on scaffolding should have a safe angle to prevent accidents. The recommended angle is approximately 75 degrees from the horizontal. This angle provides a balance between stability and ease of climbing. The ladder should be extended, meters above the landing platform. The ladder should be extended at least 1 meter, approximately 3 feet, above the landing platform or working area to provide a secure handhold for workers to step on and off the scaffold safely. What is bracket scaffolding, and where is it used? Bracket scaffolding is a type of supported scaffolding that is attached to the building or structure it serves. It uses brackets or cantilevers to support the working platform. Bracket scaffolding is commonly used when regular scaffolding cannot be placed directly against the building or when specific access is required, such as during facade work or painting.